Hey there, guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the issue when the display doesn't show in full screen. As you can see in this game, the screen isn't fully displayed. Let's get it fixed together. Before we go forward, I'd like you to see the game display. Not fully displayed right. So now you've got to follow each step carefully to solve your problem. Search the Run application, press Enter, and type Regedit. Regedit. Press Enter, and click H key local machine. System. Control set 001. Control. Find the graphics drivers folder, then click Configuration. Now you can see there are 4 folders available. Maybe your PC has 3 or more than 4. That's my new PC. My previous PC had 3 folders. Let's expand every folder. You'll see 00 folders. Each 00 folder is the same, with the same settings and options. First, you need to check all of them one by one. Every folder has the same options. So, as you can see, you'll have to rewrite the scaling file in each and every folder one by one to find your original one. I checked mine, and my folder is the 3rd one. Click on the scaling file and rewrite it with a 3-digit number, then click OK. Let's unexpand these folders and check out the game. The game screen is fully displayed now, so you can enjoy your favorite games in full screen. I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.